And there is a frequency that is really annoying. I need to cut it. It has been annoying me since Acon Digital Dynamics. So the equalizer that I use mostly is Acon Digital Equalizer 2. I really like this plugin, and it is just, as I said, it has everything you need. Pay attention to colors here. As you can see, Cubase has such color that won't make your eyes tired after long sessions. What is common between colors in this equalizer and Cubase itself? They are similar, so similar. So they both are built to be used in long term and long sessions. Not too much change between the AW's color and the plugin's color when you move or reopen other plugins, and it is just great. It's just built for this profession. So anyway, let's find that frequency that annoys me. I'm sure annoys you too.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone, but I'll be gone, I'll be gone.
Hello, you.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone tomorrow. But I'll be gone, I'll be gone.
We have hunted this frequency that was annoying too much.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone.
Pay attention.
But I'll be gone, but I'll be gone.
It is so much cleaner now. That was very annoying.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone.
But it is not the only one. This is the fundamental and the power of this resonance that was annoying me. There is a higher frequency that has the same quality but in higher tones.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I'll be gone, but I'll be gone, I'll be gone tomorrow.
Now that I suppressed these resonances, I can boost a little bit of those frequencies that I like to be heard around these resonances.
But I'll be gone.
Nope, a bell bound.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone tomorrow.
Much better, much better. So, let's check in the whole song.
Of a feeling like nothing I'll probably ever feel again. Of a feeling like nothing I'll probably of a feeling like nothing I'll probably ever feel again. Oh well. Of a feeling like nothing I'll probably of a feeling like nothing I'll probably ever feel again. Oh well.
This resonance that was there, a little of boxy quality, a little of harsh like quality, this wasn't allowing the vocal to sit in the mix, and it was just flying around, not matching with other materials.
Of a feeling like nothing. I wish there was some way to start this over again. Maybe make another better.
So let's make this cut a little bit wider.
I wish there was some way to start this over again. Maybe make another better kind of life. I wish there was some way to start this over again. Maybe make another better. I wish there was start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over again.
I need another cut here. A notch like cut. Let's see, here should we have notch filter too? Nope.
I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over. I wish there was some way to start this over. I wish there was some way to start this over. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start. I wish there was some way to start this over again.
As you can hear, we have more control over resonance, and this little boost is related to bringing up those qualities that are lowered and dipped out by cutting resonance. So we need some of those weight and some of those body that vocal should have to perform better.
I wish there was some way to start this over. I wish there was some way to start this. I wish there was some way to start this over again. Maybe make another better kind of life. I wish there was some way to start this over again.
I might need to increase this lower band.
I wish there was some way to start this over again.
Look, I have designed this band to act better, to compress better lower frequencies, and it was feeling like the bass of vocal is being misbehaved here. So I increased this start point of low band to control bass better.
I wish there was some way to start this over. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over again. I wish there was some way to start this over.
It sounds much better. The bass was being damped. Why? Because it was leaking here. This band is not designed to behave bass as much as this one. So anyway,
I wish there was some way to start this over again. Maybe make another better kind of life.
so this is how I treat with vocal. This is the chain that I just built. It's not a fixed chain for me. I just built it. I was hearing, I was thinking, and I built this chain. And as you can see, we have latency here. The first one is for gate, and gate is in look ahead mode. Gate has two modes, live, look ahead. Most of Cubase plugins has two modes, live and look ahead. So gate's look ahead mode is activated. It adds latency. TubeText CL1B adds latency. Acon Digital Multiband Dynamics adds a lot of latency. Summit Audio QF100 adds latency, and Kelvin adds latency. Kelvin has different amount of latency in this matter. So this is in good quality. Let's put it in high. Kelvin increased a little bit. of latency. Pristine, no, it's not really changing, but it's using CPU much more. And low latency is it is 0.1. It is almost nothing. You will not need higher qualities while mixing, but in render, yes, you should put it on pristine to use this plugin's full potential. And while mixing, good and high should be more than enough. I usually put it in good. And here we go. This is how I treat vocals. And it depends on, mostly it depends on how this beat, this song will proceed, will go, how things will change. So I might change things for vocal too. But this is my setting for now.